In this video, I'm going to show you how to do voice typing within Google Docs. So assuming I'm on my Google Docs in here and I want to type in here later, I can come over to the tools here. You can see voice typing, select language that you want to type in, and then you can click here to start typing. Allow. Hello and welcome to the channel. This is just a test of me trying to record or type some text using voice, and you can see it is typing on the screen, which is very clearly written. You can see it very easily. So sometimes if you get tired of typing, you can just activate this and you'll be able to write completely all the documents, all your write-up, all what you have, to be able to have it as a letter. We can place the stop button to stop, and you can see right now it has written everything completely correctly and very nicely. So the next time you want to write and you're tired, you can use the voice feature and you can just dictate and to convert it into a text. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.